A man in a hoodie approached a camera in Smithtown, New York and snatched it. The owner asked the man what he wanted, and the man replied that he had returned to his room and closed the door.
What do you want?
Peace.
Too late for that.
What?
Too late for that.
Too late?
When you stole from me, you started your own war. Too late for that.
So it's too late for peace?
You had a chance at peace. You had that night, you could have made peace by bringing my shit back you stole. When you stole from me, you started your own war.
So we are at war, according to you? Good night, sir. Oh, if it's blue, it doesn't ring? I guess that means you're hearing this?
Do speak.
Okay, so there's wine, cheese, and crackers across the hall if you're interested.
Nah, we ain't no rats. We just don't want cheaters, liars, and stealers and thieves. Have a good night.
He returned with a towel wrapped over his head and something sticky affixed to the camera to shake the video. The owner called the cops and filed charges against the neighbor, who was later arrested. This individual is the epitome of a bad neighbor. Raymond Hawkins, 45, opened the door to a delivery driver dropping off a parcel on May 1st, 2020. When Raymond went to pick up the gift, the delivery man attacked him with a knife.
I'll put it on your door and take it because coronavirus.
3 more masked men pursued Raymond and his wife from behind, muffled cries echoing from the house as they struggled.
Hey! No!
One of the culprits, Anthony Lascelles, was detained, while Christopher Sargent was charged with aggravated burglary and having a weapon in his possession. The other 2 suspects were never caught. In this video, you can see a young man who appears intoxicated, smashing his body into the home wall, groaning loudly along with the loud body slamming. I'm astonished that no one in the home was awakened by it. He then throws himself back onto the balcony and stays there, moving his hands around in an attempt to get up. The residents claim they have never met this man, and we have no idea what his objectives were. This doorbell footage shows a snooping neighbor irritated with the home lawn due to it not meeting neighborhood standards.
Hello? Knockity knock knock knock. Hello?
The woman starts the conversation with a hello and then proceeds to ran on the lawn, which isn't a big deal.
Hi. Hello? Hi. Hi. I'm the neighbor across the street. I noticed that your grass is not standard. Blue, I don't know what it is, but we have it's not, it's not like a rule like an HOA, but everyone on the block has that they use. I know you came in because I just watched you I watched you come in from the store. Hello. I just like to let you know about the grass. I brought some of my own. It's on the ground. I can give it to you. I can slide it on the floor if you want. I just want you to know what kind it is. Okay, well, you know what? I don't have a lot to do today, so I can hang here if you want me to.
If it's not your property and someone else's, why bother wasting your time like this? And if you have a massive problem with it, you can help the neighbor fix the lawn if it doesn't meet the quote-unquote neighborhood standards. A video from Baton Rouge, Louisiana shows a grandfather walking with his 3-year-old granddaughter when a group of stray pit bulls approaches. He is terrified, but does his best to get her to safety before returning outside to ensure the pit bulls leave the area.
Right inside. Yes, yes. Go. Get inside. Go away. Come on, I got you.
Come see, Mama.
Go. Get.
Come see.
Go.
I want to show her.
No, you get inside. Go on. Go.
Everyone is safe. A Redditor was roused by a notice that their doorbell had identified a visitor, but found nothing after reviewing the app. After rechecking the app, the Redditor received more warnings and was confronted with this frightening image. It is difficult to discern whether the individual is male or female, but the shape and distance of the person's eyes are very concerning. It is not something anyone wants to see at their home door in this day and age. The Ring doorbell camera begins by showing a random individual on the uploader's property, riding his bike and digging through the person's belongings.
Can I help you?
When asked if he can help, the biker throws a yellow folder onto the ground, which are important documents the owner received in mail. The biker then exits the person's property with his bike and pedals away. A Ring camera captured doorbell footage in an apartment in Atlanta, Georgia, of a man trying to open the door with the camera. Unfortunately, the door was locked and the man gave up trying to break it in a matter of seconds and walked away. This is a lazy thief who failed not to appear suspicious. A disturbing Ring surveillance footage shows a young mother leaving her 3-month-old son at a stranger's home in Deltona, Florida. Police were able to locate the mother, identified as Melissa Kelly, 33, and she has been charged with child neglect and unlawful abandonment of a kid.
She pushed the baby in the door and walked away.
Kelly said she couldn't care for the infant due to scabies and an infectious itchy skin condition.
I said, "You're leaving your baby with me?" And she said, "Yeah." I said, "So you're abandoning your baby?"
What's her name?
I don't know her name. I have no idea who she is.
She also stated that her daughter is dating the baby's father, but the homeowner was unaware of her daughter's relationship with her father.
She said, "Your daughter is dating this baby's daddy."
Child welfare officials have taken custody of the baby. Ring doorbell camera footage captured a woman tugging on a doorknob and beating on the window of a stranger's home on July 6, 2018.
See the intruder backing up and throwing the full force of her body into the window. It breaks. Then she pulls out the screen and reaches in. The homeowner screams.
What is going on? What is going on?
Hi.
Hi.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
So why are you banging on the door?
Because my friend was there.
Hannah Nakagawa, a first-grade teacher, was detained and suspected of being inebriated. Her father showed up at the house, and her daughter attempted to enter and apologize to the woman.